Hey guys, what's good guys? And today, obviously your host is JB Gaming here, and we're playing the scariest game I could find on Roblox, and it's a fan-made game posted on Roblox. It's like that Fnaf Help Wanted with that VR thing. I'm on night 2, I've done night 1 before. Let's see, I'm actually only gonna do a few nights because I'm literally horrified of it. I'm literally looking behind me just in case no one. Hold on. Now forget that. Hopefully I don't get jump scared. Let's go. I know the first person that moves is Bunny. Okay, they're not moving yet. Let's just wait for this thing. I played this before, so I kind of know what's happening. Oh man. Hold on. Ah! Oh! That's literally the light behind my computer, and I just turned it on and it's so bright. I'm gonna turn it off. It's hot as well. Oh, I can hear footsteps. Ah, Bunny. And I know Foxy comes out this night. This night, hold on, I got jump scared by Bunny. And now, I'm back retrying it. He disappeared. Where is he? 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 He's coming. I'm not scared of you, Bunny. Chica, you have to be kidding me. No, Chica. No, where are you? Where are you, Chica? What do you do? Now check where Chica is. I bet Bunny's camping in here. He's actually not. But where is he then? I can hear movements, man. I'm too scared to open the door. Okay, open this door. I know no one. Foxy, check Foxy. Forget that. Forget that. Forget that. Stupid Bunny, man. Chica's moving, I heard her. See, look. But the thing is, look at Foxy. Bunny's gone. Ah, look at my power. I know Foxy's dead. She could teleport in. She's in the kitchen, isn't she? I don't understand. Bunny's just camping. If he moved. I'm keeping a close eye on you. Hold on. Hold on. Shoot. She wasn't there, I checked. Anyway guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you want me to do another Fnaf video, make sure you like and subscribe. I'm taking a big rest from this. Okay.